Hi and welcome to lesson 5. In this lesson we're going to do things slightly different. We're going to actually use a Google Drive. Google Drive can automatically back up and sync all our files and folders. To use Google Drive we must download the app from our Google website. The app is called Google Drive. If however you already have a Google account, you may use your Google tools up here on your Google Apps, and our Google Drive is there. If you haven't already got a Gmail and a Google account, you can download Google Drive. You will, however, need to have a Google account and sign up for a Gmail through Google in order to use any of the Google apps. Your normal Google page and type in download Google Drive, and if you click on the link provided, you will download Google Drive. It should then leave a shortcut on your desktop, as you'll see down here. That's my shortcut on my desktop to Google Drive. Now, to use Google Drive to save our files and folders, all we have to do is I'm going to open up Microsoft Word from within our folders and files that we've already have. This is essay number 1, and I'm going to show you how now you can save it directly to Google Drive from home or from college. So we go File, Save As, and at the moment we can see that it's saved as a Word document, and it's saved into English folder and essays. So that's our documents folder, English and essays. If we scroll up on the Explorer pane, up here, because we have downloaded Google Drive, in the first of the list here is Google Drive. So if we actually click on Google Drive, we will see that this is saving into Google Drive. I've opened a Module 5 file management folder within Google Drive the exact same way I would in my File Explorer folders. So I'm going to click on that, and now I'm going to save my essay into the Module 5 file management folder, and I just click on Save. This essay has now automatically saved up into my Google Drive. When I go to college, when I go to work, no matter where I go, I can now just go and access the file without having to bring a key or a pen or anything else. I can just access it from there. There are a couple of downfalls with this. One is you must have an internet connection. If you don't have an internet connection, you can't access your Google Drive. So that's a little bit of a disadvantage. Most places have good access nowadays. The other one is that I would advise that maybe even once a month, or once a week or once a month, whichever you feel more comfortable with, that you re-download your files from Google Drive onto your hard drive and just keep an up-to-date copy there. Reason being, like that, in case your internet goes down or anything and you want to do some work on the most up-to-date version, that's the easiest way to do it, is to have a backup copy on your own hard drive. Now I'm going to close this Word document now, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to say I'm after now leaving the home and going to college, going to work, going to wherever I'm going. I'm going to open up my Google Drive and my Google page, and it will be just a Google page, and in here I have Google Drive. Now I'm going to click on Google Drive. We're in Google Drive now, so we have My Drive, we have Shared With Me, because people can share with you, but that's another module altogether. And with Google Photos, Recent, Starred. What we want is to concentrate on is, if you see the folder here, it's My Drive. And in My Drive, we have here Module 5 File Management. And this is what we're doing, Module 5. I've created this folder for Module 5. You can create the folder, the very same, New Folder, and then you name the folder. So you will name the folder whatever you want, college work, and you will save your work into there by going to File, Save As, and then Google Drive. So we go into Module 5, and here's my essay I was working on. Now I can work on this essay now from anywhere. It's the very same essay. I can go into class, work on it from anywhere, and then I can just file, save, and save it back into my Google Drive. There we are there, and we can open it with, and there, Google Docs, which is documents belonging to Google. or we can open it with Microsoft Word. We can download it back onto our machine we're using and save it back up. And Google Docs is very, very similar to Microsoft Word. They have their own application suite in Google. There we are there, and we have here File, Edit, File. So we have everything that we need there in order to do some work on this. Now, I hope that helped a little bit with Google Drive, and I hope now you can do a short assignment. Mainly on this one, we'll only be doing explaining what Google Drive is, because I do understand that not everyone will be able to master Google Drive quickly, but it'd be nice for you to be able to go and search for it, find it, and download it, and then know how. Thank you for taking part in our course and completing all 5 modules.